This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Reddit app. First, download the Reddit app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it up and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Your home feed will then display popular content and posts from communities you've joined. It's a great starting point to see what's trending. To dive deeper, use the search bar at the top to find communities, also known as subreddits, that align with your interests. You can search for anything from hobbies to news. Once you find a subreddit you like, simply tap Join to add it to your feed. This ensures you see content relevant to you. Interacting with content is simple. You can upvote a post or comment if you like it, or downvote if you don't. To share your thoughts, tap the comment icon and type your message. If you find something interesting you want to revisit, tap the save icon to easily find it later in your profile. Ready to share your own content? Tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to create a new post. You can choose to share text, images, or videos. Select the appropriate subreddit for your submission. Remember to also check your profile settings to customize your experience and manage your account details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.